Welcome to another inspiring Christian story that will touch your heart and strengthen your faith. Today, we bring you a tale of unwavering trust in God, sacrifice, and divine intervention. If this story blesses you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more faith-filled content. Now, let's begin. In a quiet mountain village, nestled between rolling green hills, lived a humble shepherd named Elias. He was known throughout the land for his unwavering faith in God. Though he owned only a few sheep and had little wealth, his heart was filled with contentment, knowing that the Lord provided for all his needs. One evening, as Elias gathered his flock for the night, dark storm clouds began to form over the mountains. A powerful wind howled through the valley, and soon, heavy rain began to pour. Elias hurried to lead his sheep into the safety of a cave, but as he counted them, he realized one lamb was missing. His heart sank. It was the youngest of his flock, a small lamb named Ura. Without a second thought, Elias grabbed his staff and lantern and ventured into the stormy night, calling out for his lost lamb. The rain blurred his vision, and the path became treacherous, yet he pressed on, trusting God to guide his steps. Hours passed, and Elias grew weary, but he refused to give up. He remembered the words of Jesus, "I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep." Encouraged by these words, he continued searching. Finally, he heard a faint bleating in the distance. Rushing toward the sound, he found Ura trapped between thorny bushes, shivering and afraid. With great care, Elias freed the lamb, cradling it in his arms. As he turned to head back home, he saw a figure standing ahead of him, glowing softly in the dark. Elias fell to his knees as he recognized the presence of the Lord. A gentle voice spoke, "Just as you sought your lost lamb, so does my Father seek every lost soul." Never cease to trust in his guidance. Tears filled Elias' eyes as he felt a deep peace wash over him. When he finally returned home, dawn was breaking and the storm had passed. He placed Ura among the other sheep and knelt in prayer, thanking God for his faithfulness. From that day forward, Elias' faith grew even stronger, and his story spread throughout the village. Many who heard it were reminded of God's relentless love and mercy, knowing that no soul is ever too lost for him to find. What have you learned from this story? Just as the shepherd seeks his lost sheep, God seeks us in our moments of despair. No matter how far we stray, his love and mercy will always lead us back to him. Thank you for watching this beautiful story of faith and perseverance. If this message touched your heart, let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring Christian stories. Stay blessed, and may God's love always guide you.